Okay, so this is my Montblanc Meisterstuck number 72, circa 1960. So I took it apart to clean it because ink in there was all dried up, but I couldn't put it back together. When I tried to put it back together, there was a gap here between this part and this part. There was a gap like 1/8 of an inch. So yeah, when I first took it apart, all I had to do was to stick a chopstick in here and then push down on the chopstick, and this part came off. And like I said, when I put it back together, there was a gap here. I finally figured out how to make that gap disappear. You see the 3 section there? So you screw the end cap to the middle section until all the threads disappear. And then you can just insert the whole thing. I oil the part that slides in a little, and then I push the whole thing into the barrel, and then the gap would disappear. So when you try to disassemble this and you try to push this piston and the tube out, you might have a hard time. And what I did was I put a little, you unscrew this, right? Then you put a little WD-40 here, and then you let it stand like this overnight, and then you try it the next day with the chopstick. Some people put some cotton in here so that the chopstick wouldn't make a dent to the piston. So use a little WD-40 or 3-in-1 oil here. Let it sit like this overnight, and it will be easier for you to push the piston to disassemble this part here.